Hey little artists! Welcome back to another super fun and colorful drawing adventure. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful and cozy house. Yay! Grab your markers and colors, and let's get started. First, let's draw a triangle. This will be the roof. Now, draw a rectangle right below it. That's the main part of the house. Next, let's add another taller rectangle next to it, and give it its own triangle roof too. Wow, it's starting to look like a house already. Time to add doors. Let's draw a door with a rounded top on the smaller part of the house. Now, on the taller part, draw another door right in the middle. And don't forget to draw a line down the middle of this one. For the windows, let's draw 4 little rectangles and put a cross inside each one, just like window panes. Inside both roof triangles, draw a semicircle, and add a few lines to make them look nice. Now let's draw some trees behind the house. Big, leafy, and green. It's time to make everything pop. Go over your drawing with a thick, bold outline. Now for the fun part, coloring. Let's use a bright pink for the roofs. Use orange for the house walls. Color the windows and doors yellow to make them shine. Now add some green to the trees behind the house, so fresh and pretty. Don't forget to darken the door and window panels, so they stand out. Let's draw a latch on one door and draw some stripes on the other door to make it look cool.
Wow, so stylish.
And just like that, your beautiful, colorful, and cozy house is ready. You did amazing. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time for another fun artwork. Bye bye and keep coloring.